This n8n workflow turns queued motivational quotes from Google Sheets into daily vertical videos, renders them with ZVID, and writes each result back to the sheet. Prepare 5 columns, spelled exactly. Quote, author, AuthorNote, status, and video URL. Each row represents one video. Quote and author are required, while AuthorNote is optional. Leave status and video URL empty. Every day at 8 a.m. runs automatically. For an immediate test, click Execute Workflow under Test manually. It selects the next row and renders it. After rendering, mark row done updates the selected row. Status becomes done, and video URL receives the final ZVID CD in link. This prevents the same quote from being rendered again. Click the new video URL link to open the finished MP4 in your browser. Here is the generated vertical quote video for the first row. Before using the imported workflow, connect Google Sheets in Requote Sheet and mark row done. Then configure the ZVID credential used by the HTTP request nodes. Apply the same header credential to these 3 render nodes. Validate project, free, submit render, and get render status. The 4th node is Save Draft to Editor, which is used when dry run is enabled. It needs the same credential. In each node, set authentication to generic credential type, set generic auth type to header auth, and select one shared ZVID credential. Open the credential. Set name exactly to X API key. Paste your ZVID API key into value, and leave allowed HTTP request domain set to all. To create the value, open the ZVID dashboard. Select API keys in the sidebar, and click Create a PI key. Name the key test. If it already exists, choose another, then click Create a PI key. Copy the key now. ZVID displays it only once. Return to n8n. Paste the key into value. Click Save, and reuse that credential in all 4 HTTP request nodes.